Pairs of singles. We don't need doubles, we need pairs of singles. That last block that came in and he
It's either a young Joe Dippy or an old Joe Dirt. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to this episode of Reeling in America. We're out here today just doing a little cleanup. Forgot to do a little bit of an intro, but we're going out. It's the first day of South Dakota goose season. Jared scouted out some nice birds up here for us last night. I left Sioux Falls around about 3 o'clock this morning to get up here in time to do a little bit of hunting. They got out here about 4 o'clock on some public land and started setting out decoys. Right when we were about to get ready to hunt, another group pulled in and they were watching the same birds, so we just worked together and set up a nice spread. Ended up having an alright, pretty good day. It was one of the little boys' birthday that he was with. He ended up getting a couple birthday birds, so well, we'll just get into it right now. So welcome to this episode of Reeling in America. Yeah, happy birthday. How old are you today, Sam?
13.
Jeez.
Sunrise, boys.
Yep.
There's some hawking.
Those might be up.
Oh my god, there. I just took off that long range lens. I could zoom right in on that side. I hear some to the south. They sound like they're still sitting on water. We got some coming. Yeah, this big flock's coming from the east. Yeah.
I missed my third. Yeah.
I got two.
That one
just went down right over the Socrates floor.
You should have the fucking helmet cam on for that one.
Oh man.
I still don't think he's gonna go.
How many did we dump out of that?
I showed. You had some grease in your hair, didn't you? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Little 1030 motor oil.
Little perm curl.
It's either a young Joe Dippy or an old Joe Dirt.
I'm gonna go with an old Joe Dirt. I think so, yeah, they're coming. High five.
Got one. Hold off the trophy. Woohoo! Good boys, Jake.
Those pigeons?
Yeah.
I told you there's pigeons in here, Sam.
Did you bring the pigeon call? That's the pond over here where they were laying down last night. Right up here is where we got the spread set up. Six men hiding in a little grass patch. Got the decoy spread around.
Fetch him up! Good boy!
How's it going today?
We're out here just banging away. We got a few.
About 4 or 5 flocks come in. I've just been recording, watching the other guys shoot. Up to about, maybe 12 birds.
I think we're close to 15.
Closer to 15. Boys out here, birthday boy piling them up. Oh, he's birthday boy dragging them. How many's he got him?
Nice work, guys. That was fun.
Yeah, 1 shot, 1 kill with the birthday boy.
Nice work.
What are they doing? They go in the water?
Yeah. They're landing on the water. That one still landed?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to kill him.
There he is.
Sammy leaving.
Sammy leaving. Happy birthday. Piled up 23 birds on his birthday. Tried to get a couple little pigeons.
We got Joe Dirt over here.
Got the old boy over here doing work. What was your name?
Sawyer.
Sawyer out here piling them up. And we got the crazy man from Webster, old Squirrely.
Woo!
Squirrely Jake. Had a few nice groups do it today, opening day, goose season, South Dakota. Now the fun begins. Alright guys, well that about does it for this episode. Opening day of South Dakota goose season didn't turn out too bad. Had a few nice flocks do it, ended up with 23. Jared scouted out some birds last night. Got set up on them this morning. Some other people came in on the same land, they were watching the same birds, and we just met up, worked together, set up a nice little spread, and made it happen. Fall's here now, so we're going to be doing a whole lot more hunting and a whole lot more fishing, so make sure to stay tuned for more episodes of Reeling in America.